What's up? Yo, what's up? What up, what up, what up? Welcome. Excited to have you. Excited to have you. And yes, we will be live trading today, even with Fed. We're gonna see if we can take a trade, but we will be live. So let's see what we can do, see what we can find. Sorry I'm a tad late, but I typically start around 9:20, 9:15. So not really that late, but perfect. Don't want to bore you guys with a lot of talking. Let's get right into it. All right, gonna have the chart. What do we have? Good morning, D Rock, Mr. Derek. Bro, it's so weird. Every time I like log in to get on, I have like 40 people watching. Then I start talking and it drops off. They do like I don't know, they get scared or they're like, oh crap, he's on. They gotta turn their volume down and they just freak out. I don't know what goes on. Pretty funny. Awesome. Is there anything specific you guys are looking at this morning? Again, if you're new here, I don't look at penny stocks. I don't look at stocks with weird names. I don't really trade forex on the lives. I don't really look at. I can look at futures, but I don't really look at futures. I don't really look at PLTR, but I will. And you're not even new here, but I will look at it just for you. I guess I could trade it a little bit more. Um, PLTR. It's just not on my watch list. PLTR. All right. What would you want me to look at? TLM there, brother? Oh yeah, we cooking. Yeah, I'd love to see stop hunt, come back up, move higher, full show. Let's like a 15-minute. Maybe target POC there. See if you can get a good risk reward if you entered like right here. What the? Yeah, 101. You could do possibly play that. So I kind of like either one. Either that low holds, but I really sense price is going to try to grab this, all this. That's what I sense. I'm sensing. Nvidia TLM. Yes. Yes. Let's make a ton of money trading Nvidia TLM. It's kind of a little bit trendy yesterday, but you also can see it's in. It's like an inside day, right? So it's still inside here. Oh, what did I just do? What in the? I just removed all indicators. There we go. Remove drawings. There we go. But yeah, if we can get up in here, maybe take out this side. There's no real strong pull high, right? There's no really pullback at all. It kind of just goes straight down. Let's look at like a 5. Still nothing great. Let's see if any of these are pivot points. See, there's no pivot point high. Okay, so still not a bad play, but just be careful with that. I don't know about this. This one will be a little harder. Spy, Apple. Apple, if it takes out this, not really. Apple's heating up for longs. Meta. Everything's kind of in like a weird spot. Amazon would be okay. IWM would be okay. AMD would be okay. It's a little bit trendy. It's quite a big range, but Tesla would be okay. All right. Essentially, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for to have a strong low or a strong high in place. Or if not, if we were to form one, we would have a good risk reward setup. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. Um, Boom, boom, boom. Hello. The reason I did is I'm using the strategy called TLM, triple line method. And so I'm looking for stocks where the previous day wasn't too trendy. Okay, so it wasn't favorable in one direction or the other, right? Or if it was, it's still inside like a higher time frame balance. And then I'm looking for ones that have potential changes of trend, right? And so you'll see what needs to happen. Price. So we're inside. Price needs to come out and then come back in and accept, and then we can take a trade. Um, that's kind of an MU is a good stock to trade. Let me look at it. Not really for TLM. I don't not really see that today. Well, you could probably scalp. Well, yeah, you could probably scalp this. Get up in here. If that's the low, yeah, so you don't have a great risk reward. Wait for a pullback. It would just depend on where this low starts because you don't really want to target past there. I need help to get a T. Okay, so Nvidia popped out, came back inside. I really like my stops down in here, like below this, maybe even like a 15-minute strong low, like down here. Targeting up to like honestly all the way. I really like that. But I want to see at least us take these highs out because it's such a fast move down. I want to see it at least show that we are going to push higher. We did pop out, so have a good chance to get a trade here. That's kind of what I'm looking at, though. Pretty big move, but definitely can do it. Amazon need to break above here, 187. IWM will need to pop out and come back in. So sit on hands there. AMD, yeah, I don't know. AMD still in this like 5-minute downtrend, right? Do we have any class on paper trading? No, but you can paper trade what I'm doing right now. So paper trading is the same thing, just a different instrument essentially. Okay, here we go on NVIDIA. And I'd really like to see a candle close. What are you trying to paper trade at, dude? Like what platform? Could even take this. I'd rather wait for a one. Yeah, we just go demo or whatever it's called. It's called paper money. If you set up a normal account, get on Thinkorswim, hit paper money. Cool. Good luck on SMSI. Yeah, see? So stop hunt, push lower. Let's see if we can break this high. If we break that high, we have a very good chance we're going to push higher. AMD, I'm nervous for AMD. Let's just look at like a 15-minute high. Oh, we had no pullbacks. Right. So even if we did this, we're still in a downtrend, right? High, lower high, lower high. So I want to be kind of careful here. Tesla popped out. See if we can get back inside here. Attitude. Be patient today as well. Kind of looks like a little mini balance zone right here. Look at that. Look at that little mini balance. What's up, Dale? What is the TLM level setup you're using? So it's the triple line method. It's an indicator that we have inside of Freedom Team. I'll talk to you about that here in a second. But again, I just kind of give the levels for free right now. Yep, there it went. So I was saying, like, the only way you could have taken it, yeah, with a pullback. Didn't get a pullback. Oh, jeez. So really just need this high to break. That will solidify. We want to move higher. Amazon, kind of same thing. IWM might be out of the picture. AMD, I don't really like anyways. Tesla is probably not going to be playable either, but if you nice. I know it might be rude. Every day. Yeah, anything else you guys are taking a peek at? Might not be it. Everything's kind of looking blah. FLGC, I literally don't even know what that is. I'll look at it here in a second. QCOM, yeah, I want to see break this low and pull back, so maybe not. QQQ, what are you looking at on QQQ? Literally nothing's happening. What are you looking at? Puts, why? Tell me why. Why do puts seem like a good play right now? Let me go to FLGC. Yeah. I'm going to look at this. Not to be mean, but like, I don't know how people trade this. Tell me why. Yeah, walk me through what you're looking at for puts right now. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm not saying you're wrong. Gotcha. It typically happens. Typically. when significant highs and lows are broken like that. Stop hunt reversal. Typically. Just saying. Shop. Let's look at shop. On what chart? This chart. Let me shut that off. There you go. Now there's no noise. Now there's no noise. I just had that on there for strong highs and lows. Now there's no noise. There you go, boss. Shop. It's ripping. It's a good setup for TLM, but it didn't really play out well. MU. You don't want to trade TLM. It's already rotated. You could look at. I don't really see a setup. Surely, I don't see a setup on there. Maybe Microsoft. Don't really see a setup here. Shorting. We get short. You got demand right here, so can't get short. Fresh demand right there. Can't get short. Don't want to get long because there's nothing telling me to the short side that anything should happen to the long until we hit, unless if we like pull back, hit demand, and then break that, right? Then it's telling me. It could be in the future, but not at this moment for me. Did it started yet? Did what started? What do you mean? Did it started? Oh. What do you mean? Did it started? That's so funny. Dude, it started. There, NVIDIA's now stop under the low. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to push back up. Yeah, that looks like a stop hunt though. Because not a low. Right, it looks like a stop under the, like basically that demand area. Like we never actually, well, we're kind of in a downtrend, huh? I would like to see a significant low be broken. That has not happened yet. There has not been a low taken. This is technically not a low, right? I would just be careful. I'm gonna add that up there. Bro, I am like flabbergasted. I could, but I vowed to myself 2.5 years ago I would never ever touch FG ever again. Never, ever touching ever again. So, for that reason, I'm out. Pretty big meeting today, though. Going to decide on interest rates and kind of see what's going on. What is social media saying? So I also let me. What is social media saying as well? By the way, if you don't follow me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me. Yeah, Dale, that's kind of what I've been talking about this entire time since the live stream started. Have you not been able to pick up on what I'm looking at? And appreciate it. Like, have you not been able to pick it up like out of sincerity, and not trying to be rude? Like, are you not able to, like, am I not being clear in what I'm looking at? I like the thoughts, Alan. What would I look up? FOMC. Gotcha, Dale. It's the most critical in the last 4 years. Here's why. Bro, so annoying. Dude. Really? So a 25% rate cut means recession? Is this an accurate meme? Dude, I would be as long as I'm not in any longs at the moment, I'd be happy with freaking a dump too. Sitting on cash. Lots and lots of cash. Yeah, I don't really know why that would mean a recession and then soaring inflation. But the 50 rate cut, that would help, no? You're not wrong. Yeah, 25 for sure. Hey yo, yeah. So Dale, now you're watching. Now that you're watching, so see the thing on the right here. That is my watch. So I have my watch list. Then up in here, I have the specific ones I'm looking at and why. Okay. So TLM, this is the triple line method. Okay. That's using this indicator right here. All right. Playing from line to line with acceptance. Okay. That's TLM. That's what I'm looking at right now on NVIDIA. Okay. It is a form of balance theory. Okay. I don't know if there's anything in the vault about TLM. But we do have it in our mentorship program. Okay. There's an 8-week mentorship program. We guarantee you become consistently profitable. You get access to that and a bunch of other cool stuff. I'll talk about that more as we push through. I think as you continue to get more active, no, looks like he, yeah, it's right here. Right here, right? So only available inside of Freedom Team. But there you go. Got a lot of DMs to get to today. Hey, also, you guys are in the vault. If you ever see stuff, that looks like this, I can teach you to turn 250 into 6,500. Typically, it's going to be drop shipping. Report it, please. Okay, back to everything. Okay, PayPal. Would it have been a good play? Let's look. Possibly, but we have a demand zone here. So that would be the only negative thing. So look at this 1 minute demand, right? So we came up, and now we're at demand again, right? So we want to see us take out a low. Then if we pull back and maybe possibly short it, but I don't really think that's going to happen. I think if this low breaks, we'll move all the way lower. Again, you just don't want to get in here because nothing has happened, right? There has been no significant trend change. IWM rotated. Well, it never popped out. Yeah, no, should have been here last week. We freaking crushed it. Last week was awesome. If you want to watch it, if you want to watch last week's performance on the live stream, where we made a grand, basically, watch it right there. I'm live every Wednesday, brother. Every single Wednesday. Every single Wednesday. You're in the vault too, right, Dale? Nice. Sweet. Yeah, I trade futures too. Yeah, I like futures. Is there one you're looking at specifically, Juanita? ES. What are you looking at right now on ES? Just take TLM off. What are you looking right now on ES? I think longs could be a decent play right off here. Might be a tad late. You'd like to have got filled on that little wick. Put your low stop down here. What are you looking at right now? Juanita, I know you're in the program, so. Okay, what are you looking at? You're on the 15-minute chart. What are you looking at? You're good. That's a big move. That's kind of what you want to see. I don't know if we can to take it though, but so it's gonna be a tight window. You gotta get up. Yeah. What time zone are you in, Antoinette? Yeah, it's a little rough. PST, a little hard. I definitely get that. 6:30 market opens pretty early. Yeah, if TSM breaks this low, so break that low, pull back, and now we're like trending down, right? We're good. Yeah, or earlier. Ugh. Yeah, it's hard. Are you doing just like one micro contract? Or how many contracts are you doing? Juanita? Yeah, I mean, I would recommend having enough. I would recommend at least $500, not 1,000, and make sure you're doing micros, not minis. You're doing MES. You should be trading MES, MES, not ES. And as if you have like 5 to 10K, then maybe one ES. You bet. It's the same exact like price action. It's just different leverage on the ticker. Requires less margin. Oh man. Let's see. I don't know. It's starting to set up to where we want it, but I don't know. What I don't want is I don't want to be caught in the trade, come noon, come one. But this has the makings to be a long trade. So I might not even take it. Not because it won't work, but because of externals, which I don't like. But if you're trading futures, yes. I use Tradeovate for a long time. I really like it. I now just either trade everything on the funded account or on Thinkorswim. But yeah, I really did like Tradeovate. Tradeovate's good. I think they have TradeStation's another good one. It depends on what you're trading, though. What are you trading? Futures, right? So you cannot trade crypto on Tradeovate, to my knowledge. Maybe Bitcoin, maybe. But you could use like um I'm trying to think of one that has both. I don't know which one has both. Most of them, if they have ES like they don't also have crypto, but you can typically find one that has like SPX 500. They'll have crypto. Tradeovate only has ES. I don't believe they have crypto. I could be wrong, but I don't believe they do. Kevin's starting to like Meta for a quick scalp. To the downside, yeah, I want to see it take out a low though. That's what's hard. Like if you turn this indicator on, let's go to 5 minute. Only low on this chart is down here. So it's like, dude, by the time that low gets taken out, we'll be freaking all the way down here. Oh, you know what I'm saying? You picking up what I'm putting down? I had one of my buddies text me. He's like, I turned on the live stream and you sound sick. I was like, yeah, I'm very sick. I'm getting better though. You could try this. So you could try TradeLocker. It doesn't integrate with TradingView, but it has TradingView integrated inside of it. It's kind of a weird. But you can you wouldn't be trading ES, you'd be trading SPX 500. Okay, I want to preface that. Okay, SPX 500. But it's the same price action as ES. It's just leveraged different. It's a CFD, not a future, not like futures contracts. It's like basically it turns it into like a forex thing, or a CFD. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna end up taking that. Amazon's starting to pump. I believe they're relatively low. Let's see if we can find it. That's what I love about TradeVid. Choose or sell low. Minimum 250. I think you can have. I could be wrong. Maybe they only work with prop firms, but I thought you could just do your own. Weird. Is TradeLocker not a broker? I think it's not a broker. Huh. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know. It looks like it's not an actual broker, it's just a platform. Patterson Art, how is it? What's it integrated with? Because I've only ever been used to use it on a prop firm, so I don't know. Is it a prop firm then for you too, or do you have another broker? Osprey. Here you go, Antoinette. Osprey broker. Gotcha. Yeah. So you like put in money in Osprey and you trade with Trade Locker. Like there you go. There you go, Antoinette, right there. That would work. Bro, that's what's so hard. Like with Forex stuff, like bro, it's freaking like everything's offshore. I swear. You could do gotcha. Yeah, it's probably too complex. Maybe not. Antoinette likes crypto. That's probably not too complex for her. There's one like FX, right? We're gonna get on a tangent here. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. AMP. Jordan always recommended AMP futures. I don't know if you can trade crypto on there though. But Jordan always talked really highly of AMP. Yeah, it's gonna be a no trade day for me. This is a boring, uneventful day. Sweet Dale, appreciate you hopping on. Yeah, uneventful day, but that's just part of when there's big news like that. It's common. Can you trade crypto on Oanda though? I've heard of Oanda. Oops. Gotcha. Yep. Things are slowing down. We're ready for the big move here in a couple hours. Yeah, go ahead and hop off. Yeah, uneventful day. Part of it. One thing that I hate about live trading on Wednesdays is that once a month, every Wednesday sucks. But yeah, outside of that, y'all, I appreciate you hopping on, and I will see you next week. Peace.